Welcome to Concorso Ferrari. For 2021, Casa Ferrari is pleased to present more than 70 Ferrari automobiles gathered here on the first fairway at Pebble Beach. This exhibit, Concorso Ferrari, features an unrepeatable array of Ferrari Classiche models alongside the rare Ferrari Icona Limited Series, the Ferrari Monza SP1, and Ferrari Monza SP2. The diversity in specifications for the Monza SP1 and SP2 is quite staggering. The owners have excellent taste, and some have a very, shall we say, unique taste. There is a few different interior color choices, and they seem to be leather. Some were black, some were saddle with like kind of an aged patina look to them. Some were brown. They were all racing bucket seats, obviously, because this is basically a track car. So seeing all these specifications really was a highlight of this year's Monterey Car Week for me. I fell in love with the dark purple and bronze car, the lime green and yellow car. I really liked the baby blue car that has the French racing colors on it, and I also liked the dark metallic orange car. And lastly, in launch specifications of this sage green with small yellow stripe, and some of the metallic reds look absolutely amazing as well. Back in 2007, Ferrari announced its Special Projects program that gave their most prized and wealthy collectors the chance to create their own project. If you ever see SP in the name of a Ferrari, then you know where it came from. The Ferrari Monza SP1 and SP2 have a starting price of $1.7 million. This event at Casa Ferrari is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. There was a stunning 33 examples of the new Ferrari Monza in either SP1 or SP2 configurations. I believe there was maybe 7 SP1s in attendance, so they were quite rare. All told, there was a staggering $80 million worth of Ferrari Monzas on the lawn. The Ferrari Monza was available in 2 different seat configurations. The SP1 is a single-seater and the SP2 is a 2-seater. The SP1 has 1 hump behind the driver and the SP2 has 2 humps, one behind the driver and the passenger, and it gives both cars a completely different look. I prefer the SP1 for that flat expanse over the passenger compartment. At the heart of the SP1, you'll find a 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 that produces 809 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 530 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60 will come by in 2.9 seconds on to a top speed of 186 miles an hour. Thanks to its single seat, the SP1 weighs 3,306 pounds, which is lightweight for a modern car in 2021. The Monza was a limited production car from Ferrari. Just 500 production units were split between the SP1 and SP2, and I believe they are obviously made to order. I absolutely love the design of the Monza SP1 and SP2. I think it's absolutely striking, and it's Ferrari's best design in the modern era by far for a Ferrari that's been built within the last 5, maybe 10 years. It's drop dead gorgeous, and it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see this many of them in one spot. The Ferrari Monza SP1 could go down as the most pure and beautiful Ferrari designed in this decade. If you look at some of the new Ferrari models they don't look quite as pretty. It's not every day that you see a Ferrari Enzo, but seeing one in yellow is absolutely stunning. What a gorgeous car. It really has aged well for being a 2002 model. Thank you for watching my event coverage of the Ferrari Icona series Monza SP1 and SP2 at Casa Ferrari in Monterey, California. If you like this video, you may also like to watch some of my other 2021 Monterey Car Week videos. Have a great day!